Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to create email processes in Designer applications. Email processes can generate automated email notifications which will trigger with certain events, like saving or editing a record. You can also add any documents created with print processes as an attachment into emails created this way. We're going to be using a homeowner's insurance rating tool and add a notification email which will be triggered when the user clicks a button to receive a proposal page. Click the email button to go to the email process designer. Here, click the Add Email Process button to create a new email process. Doing so will take you to the Generate Email Process page where you can configure email settings. The first field, Name, is just an identifier for this particular email process to help identify it. The subject line type allows selecting between static and by value of options. If you choose static, you will be given a new field where you can enter the static text that is to form the email subject line. If you choose by value of, you must select the name range of the data field the subject name is to be pulled from. This dropdown will give you all available name ranges from your workbook. The same idea applies to the other sections as well. True field, carbon copy field, blind carbon copy field, and body can all have either static text or be derived from a name range from your workbook. For the email fields, you can either enter a static email or choose from available users already in the system. Selecting static for the body field will give you a rich text editor where you can customize the email body with HTML styling, tables, hyperlinks, images, and videos. Application-specific data can be added into any static text section by using double curly braces. Upon entering double curly braces, you will get a list of available name ranges from your workbook. You can either manually enter this name or select from the list. Formatting can be applied by adding a colon character after the name range. Once you select the data type, you can also add a semicolon character after to begin defining the desired format. The formatting value options follow the .NET formatting standards. For example, you can enter C2 to apply currency formatting and round the value to 2 decimal fields. Remember to close the double curly braces when you're done. You can manually change the HTML code for the body text by clicking the code icon and going into the editor. Any number of print processes that exist in this application can be added as an attachment to this email process. To do this, click the attachment box and select your print document. When you're done, press Create Email Process to save your changes. Existing email processes can be edited or deleted by clicking the corresponding boxes that appear when you mouse over their box. Now we can go to the User Interface Designer and assign an email process to a button. You can set an action button to trigger any number of email processes by selecting them from the Events section under the button settings. Let's take a look at the application. We enter our information and go through the steps. At the last step, I will receive a notification email when a user presses the Export button. I will also receive the export file as an attachment. Here's what it looks like. Thank you for watching.